Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a very cool topic: how to calculate the tint darkness of your windows. Whether you are looking to get your windows tinted or just curious about the science behind it, this video is for you. So, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the calculations, let's get a bit of understanding. The darkness of the tint on your windows depends on how much light is blocked compared to the original, untinted glass. This is measured using the visible light transmission, or VLT percentage. A higher VLT percentage means more light is allowed through, while a lower percentage means less light and darker tint. For this calculation, you'll need two pieces of information: the VLT percentage of the window tint you are considering, the VLT percentage of the original glass on your vehicle. Let's break down the calculation into simple steps. Step 1. Convert the VLT percentages to decimals by dividing them by 100. For example, if your tint VLT is 50%, you'll convert it to 0.50. And if your original glass VLT is 90%, it becomes 0.90. Step 2. Now multiply these two decimals together. So, 0.50 multiplied by 0.90 equals 0.45. Step 3. Convert this decimal back to a percentage by multiplying it by 100. So, 0.45 multiplied by 100 equals 45% VLT. This tells us that with this tint, your windows will allow 45% of visible light to pass through, compared to the 90% for the original, untinted glass. In simpler terms, the tint causes the windows to be 50% darker. Let's go through another example for a better grasp. Tint VLT. 35% 0.35 original glass VLT, 88%, 0.88 multiply the decimals, 0.35x 0.88 equals 0.308, convert back to percentage, 0.308 x 100 equals 30.8% VLT, so a 35%. Tint makes the windows 65% darker than the original glass. Easy, right? Just to recap, here are the steps. Convert VLT percentages to decimals. Multiply the tint decimal and original glass decimal. Convert the result back to a percentage. And voila, you now know how to calculate the tint darkness of your windows. That's it for today's video of Axlewise. This simple calculation can really come in handy when considering window tint options for your ride. See you on the next one, and keep that engine revving.